Looking for a flexible, work-from-anywhere career that doesn't require years of experience or expensive degrees? Well, you're in the right place. Proofreading might just be the perfect fit for you if you're after a career that allows you to work on your own terms from wherever you like. Whether you're dreaming of working from a cozy home office or a beachside cafe, proofreading offers that kind of freedom. Before we dive into how proofreading can help you achieve this, I want to mention a free workshop that's available to you. It covers the 5 signs that proofreading could be the ideal career for you, how this skill can allow you to work from anywhere, and the surprisingly easy way to attract your ideal clients. The workshop is completely free, and the sign-up is in the video description, so check that out. What is proofreading? Proofreading is essentially the final quality check for written content before it's published or sent out. As a proofreader, your job is to catch any spelling, grammar, punctuation, or formatting errors that might have been missed in earlier edits. It's the last step in the editing process, but it plays a crucial role in making sure everything looks polished and professional. What makes proofreading stand out, especially for freelancers, is the flexibility it offers. You can work wherever you are, whether you prefer a quiet home office or want to travel while earning an income. Another great thing, you don't need to have years of experience or an advanced degree to get started. If you have an eye for detail and enjoy reading, you're already on your way to being a good proofreader. It's an accessible career path that many overlook, but it's full of potential for those who want to work independently and flexibly. Why proofreading is the perfect fit for freelancers? So why is proofreading such a great fit for freelancers, especially if you're looking for flexibility and work-life balance? Well, one of the biggest advantages is the ability to set your own schedule. As a proofreader, you have the freedom to work when it suits you, whether that's early in the morning or late at night. This makes it an ideal option if you're juggling other responsibilities, like family or another job, and want something that fits around your lifestyle. Another reason proofreading is perfect for freelancers is the low barrier to entry. Unlike some freelance careers that require expensive tools or years of experience, proofreading is something you can start with just a few skills and the right training. If you enjoy reading and have a good eye for detail, you're already halfway there. There's also a growing demand for proofreaders as more businesses, bloggers, and authors need content to be polished before it goes public. That means plenty of opportunities to find work across different industries. What's more, proofreading isn't just a side hustle. Many people start out part-time and quickly turn it into a full-time income. It's the kind of freelance career that can grow with you as you build experience and confidence. How to get started as a freelance proofreader. Getting started as a freelance proofreader might seem overwhelming at first, but the truth is, it's much simpler than you might think. The first step is to brush up on your grammar and editing skills. There are plenty of free resources online that can help you get familiar with the basic rules of proofreading. If you already have a keen eye for detail, that's a huge advantage. You're already on the right path. Next, building a portfolio is key. Even if you're just starting out, offering your services to a few clients for free or at a discounted rate can help you create a solid portfolio that showcases your skills. Once you have a couple of examples, you'll have something to show future clients, which will help you stand out from the crowd. Finding clients may seem tricky, but there are many platforms where freelance proofreaders are in high demand. Job boards, freelance platforms, and even networking within your niche can help you secure your first few gigs. The key is to focus on building long-term relationships with clients who need ongoing proofreading services, whether that's bloggers, businesses, or authors. The easiest way to attract high-paying proofreading clients. One of the most common concerns new freelancers have is finding high-paying clients. The good news is, attracting clients doesn't have to be as difficult as it sounds. The key is to position yourself as an expert in a specific niche. Instead of trying to be a generalist who takes on all types of proofreading work, focus on an area that interests you, whether that's proofreading for bloggers, technical documents, academic papers, or even businesses. By specializing in a niche, you not only stand out from the competition, but you also become the go-to person for that type of content. Clients are more likely to hire you if they see you as an expert in their field. Plus, working in a niche you're passionate about makes the job more enjoyable and helps you build confidence in your work. Here's a bonus tip. Networking is another great way to find clients. You don't have to cold call or endlessly search for jobs. Instead, connect with people in your niche through social media, forums, or professional groups. By building relationships and establishing yourself as a reliable proofreader, clients will start coming to you. If you want to learn more about how to market yourself effectively and land those high-paying clients, don't forget to check out the free workshop. It's a valuable resource that covers how to attract your ideal clients without stress. The sign-up link is in the description. That's all for this video. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel.